Got an iPhone that needs a fresh start? Maybe you're selling it, gifting it, or just want to wipe the slate clean. Whatever the reason, completely erasing your iPhone's content settings is a crucial step. A factory reset essentially turns your iPhone back into the state it was in when it first came out of the box. This means all your personal data, apps, photos, messages, and settings will be erased. This is especially important for security and privacy if you're passing your phone on to someone else. Before you begin, it's absolutely vital to back up your iPhone. Seriously, I can't stress this enough. Unless you want to lose everything, you need either an iCloud backup or a backup saved on your computer. This way, you can restore your precious memories and data later, or transfer them to a new device. Also, have your Apple ID login details ready. You'll need them to proceed. There are two methods to erase your iPhone. One, you can do directly from your iPhone, and the other, you will require a Mac computer or a PC. In this video, we will discuss the quickest way to get the job done and do it straight from your iPhone. Open up the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General, and now scroll down and tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Erase All Content and Settings. Tap Continue. And if you have an eSIM, you get an option to erase it or keep it. Erase your eSIM if you've already transferred your cellular plan to another device, or if you're selling or giving away your iPhone. You'll need to contact your carrier to reactivate your plan later if you choose this. Enter your passcode, and if you have screen time enabled, you'll be prompted for that passcode. Your phone might take a moment to finish any pending backups. Enter your Apple ID password. Tap Turn Off in the top right corner. This is important as it removes activation lock, allowing someone else to use the device. Now, just wait. Your iPhone will begin the erase process. This can take a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll see the familiar hello screen indicating your iPhone is completely wiped. Did you know you can enable Do Not Disturb on all your Apple devices? Check out this video for our full guide.